going to be teaching you how to make this Ollivander's wand box. So for this we are going to first start off with a piece of cardboard. So this can be anything, and I've just taken from a carton box, I've just taken a piece of cardboard. Now first what you need to do is have a wand to decide what length you want your box to be. Now this is my handmade wand, and if you want to learn, please pause this video, go to the link in my description and check out how to make this wand, and then you can come back and continue this video on how to make the wand box. Okay, so we're going to start by deciding how much length we want the box to be. So I suggest keep at least approx 3 centimeters on both sides of the wand away from the actual size. So I would go to there. And width as well, you can keep minimum 2 centimeters on each side away from the wand. Okay, so now because we've got our basic measurements on the basic requirements, we can start, and we're just going to draw a box shape. So box shape ready. Now we have got the length and the width, so we have to draw the height of the box we need now. Now I would suggest to go with 4 centimeters, depending on your wand shape. Now because this is a little long, I would suggest to have 4 centimeters. If you want 3 centimeters also suffices, but if you want it to be a little big box, I would suggest 4 centimeters. So we just start off with drawing a 4 centimeter border around. That's the once we have drawn the outline of the whole box, including the length and the width and the height. So now we're just going to cut it out. For the cutout ready, we take a paper blade or any blunt knife as such, and you just core it a little bit on the sides so that it can stand up like that. Okay, and you do that on all the 4 sides, and then you tape up the corners to form a box shape. Once you finish taping it up, it will look somewhat like this. Okay, and now for the lid, you do the same procedure all over again, but the only difference is in the measurements. Like when you're drawing the measurements, add ½ inch on all the 4 sides of the box. The height can be the same, only the width and the length you have to add not a ½ inch, like 1 centimeter, ½ centimeter. ½ centimeter is enough, so you can add like ½ centimeter on each side of the box, and when you tape it up, you will get a result like this. So when you fix it in, you get a box. Okay, so this is the basic box which you get, okay, for the base of this. And now we can start wrapping it up. About both of them, it will look somewhat like this. And on the inside, I've put black color paper itself. I'll put it on the lid part, but the part which holds the wand, I have put black color cloth inside it. It's just normal cotton cloth, but this is also again up to you. This is optional, it's not necessary. You can put paper itself inside. The base ready, and I have added sponge inside, and I have cut it out so that the wand can fit inside. This is only like to protect the wand so it does not break, especially the clay part of it. And I have put ribbons around it so that you can tie it up here. Also, I've made this sticker which you can just get online. You can just get a printout. It's the Ollivander sticker of proof that is from his shop. So the link is again in the description below, so you can go and just take a color printout and stick it on the box to make it look more authentic. And then here you go. That's how you make a wand box.